Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Hub Blog. Today we are going to discuss interface, how to create the interface in Appian. So let me tell you how you can create the interface first. So this is Appian Designer. Click on New and from here click on Interface and here give some unique name. This is the application prefix name underscore and the name of the interface should be in camel case. Let's say I give it as name test interface 1 and give it a short description. And this is saved into this folder. So let it be selected as it is. And if you want to include it in the design library, this interface, just click on here. I will show you where the design library is. So let's click on create. Now our interface has been created. Now this interface has two sections. First is design mode and second is expression mode. In expression mode, you can see all the code, and in design mode, you can do drag and drop. So there are three subsections. This is design library. In design library, if you want your interface to be included as design library so that others can use it, so that will go into design library. So there are some interface which are already created, and these are have been added into the design library. So if someone wants to use the same, they can use it. And there are some patterns as well. In the patterns, you can see there are some already designed code, so you can drag and drop into your interface. Let's say if I want to include activity history, so this code will be included in your interface. And to the expression mode, you can do whatever changes you want to do, that you can do it. Let's delete it for now. And here is the there are different patterns as well. So you can go if you can pick any of them, whichever you need. There are some image gallery, inline tags, KPIs, KPI overlay, KPI with chart, event timeline, duration display, and all this. There are some cards as choices. So let me show you. These have, if you drag it down, so you will get the choices in the form of card. So in this way, there are different patterns which are included. You can change this by going to the expression mode. Let's say if I want to change this heading, so I'll click on this and here you can see new work order. I can change it to something else as per my need. Let's say I want to change it to my order, so it will be changed to my order. Now I will go to design mode and let me delete this one. And here we have the component section. In component section we have forms. You can use the forms wizard, card header, billboard header, panes with billboard header, panes with card header. There are different layout section, columns side by side. We will discuss all these in different tutorial. So today we are just going to discuss how to create the interface and its basic concepts. So basically interface are the visual components of any site. They give the user the visual interface so that users can interact with it. There are different charts as well, like bar chart, column chart. So if you want to use it, you can drag it down and you can customize it as per your need. So this is a bar down, and similarly we have the pie chart. You can use it as well. Here you can use it pie chart as well, and by going to the expression mode, you can modify it as per your requirement. So in the same way, there is something like called as form. So a form will be added, and here you can change the name. By going to the expression mode, you can change the name of the form and button names, as well as you can drop some other components here, like track components here. If I want to add here some text, so I will just pick a text box and it will be entered here like that. So here you can see a text box has been entered, and there you can change the name of the text box as well by going to the expression mode. Let's say if I want to change the name of this text box, so here you can see the label is text. So I want to change it to let's say uh, my first text. So it will be changed to my first text. So I hope you are able to understand what is interface and how to create the interface in Appian. What are the different components in interface in Appian? So that's all for today's section. In the next tutorial, we will see different components and we will create some different types of interface, create some different visuals for the user. Thank you for watching my channel. Thanks a lot. And please to like and share, subscribe my channel so that this will give me motivation to bring more such videos. Thank you.